All right, here we go. This tutorial is about box plots. This is also known as box and whisker plots. All right, so box plots are a display showing how the values in a set of data are distributed or spread out. So to create a box plots, there are 5 values that you need to find. The smallest value, which is called the lower extreme, the lower quartile, which is the median of the lower half of the data. You need the median of all the data. You need the upper quartile, which is the median of the upper half of the data. And then you need the greatest value, which is also called the upper extreme or maximum. Okay, so you have 5 data points that you need. So let's walk through this. So we have an example. The daily high temperatures for a few days last month are shown. We need to make a box plot. All right. So number 1, put your data in order from least to greatest. Okay. We're going to work some magic here. All right. So here they are in order from least to greatest. Okay. As I put them in order, I crossed them off over here, so I knew that I already used them. All right, so the first thing we've got to locate is the smallest value. Well, guys, right there. The other easy one is the greatest value, right there. The median. So I'm going to go from outside to the inside here. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 12 pieces of data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have the median is going to be right here. I have 2 data points. So I need to add them up and divide by 2. Well, still, they're close to each other. So we're going to get 57.8 because they're, what am I thinking? 57.5 because they were consecutive numbers. Okay, now the lower quartile. When you're looking for the lower quartile and you have an even amount of data points like we do here, you take the bottom half, which means that will include this part. And then you find the median of these numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So again, I have to go here, add them up, divide by 2. That makes it easy because 55 is right smack in the middle. Okay, upper quartile. I take the upper half of the data set. Again, I'm going to get right here for the median. And these are consecutive numbers, so 59.5. Okay, so once again, if you end up with a median of your entire data set, if you have an even amount, that lower one goes with the lower quartile, that upper one goes with the upper quartile. Okay, if you just have one number in the middle for your actual median, then that number does not get put into this set or into this set. It just gets left out. All right. Okay. Now these 5 points, this one, you've got your lower extreme, your lower quartile, you've got your median, your upper quartile, and your upper extreme or your maximum. I have to plot those 5 points down here. So you make them float. So we have 52, then we have 55, 57 and a half, 59 and a half, and then 63. Okay, I would go ahead and create my whiskers first. Then you put a box around these guys and put a line, should be down the center of that point. Okay, just should be a single line. All right, so there's your box and whisker plot. I can now find the range. I can use this up here very easily, or I can look at this because sometimes you're only given a box and whisker plot and you have to pull the range. So my lowest number is 52, my highest is 63. So I'm going to do 63 minus 52 and get 11. So my range is 11. Now there's this other thing called an interquartile range. That's where you take your upper quartile and you subtract your lower quartile. That'll give you your interquartile range. Okay, my lower quartile was 55. My upper quartile is 59 and a half. So 59.5 minus that lower quartile of 55. And I get 4.5 for my interquartile range. Okay, I hope this helps you.